In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix can't see clock on lock screen always on display Samsung. Many people experience this problem. It can be frustrating when you want to check the time but can't see it. Thankfully, this is an easy fix that can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Lock Screen and AOD. Tap on it. Then tap Always on Display. And then tap where it says When to Show. All you have to do next is select the Always option. By choosing this option, your clock and notifications will always be visible on the Always on display. This way, you can quickly check the time or see if you have new messages without unlocking your phone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.